Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your spa or massage experience, whether you're at home or on the go. Meet the BestMassage Portable Massage Table, a lightweight yet sturdy option for professionals and personal use alike. But how well does it truly perform in real-world settings? Let's take a closer look. The BestMassage Portable Massage Table is a compact, foldable massage bed designed to offer comfort and stability. It features a 2-inch thick sponge for added cushioning, making it feel soft and supportive during massages. The frame is built with high-quality beech wood and reinforced hardwood corner blocks, allowing it to support up to 450 pounds. This means it's not only durable but strong enough for a variety of clients. The table's standout feature, in my opinion, is the height-adjustable design. You can easily modify the height from 24 inches to 31 inches by adjusting the knobs on the legs. This flexibility is a game-changer for anyone working with different clients or using the table for various types of services like facials, foot massages, or even tattooing. It's such a simple yet highly functional design. Another great perk of this massage table is its portability. Weighing in at just 26 pounds, it's light enough to carry around if you're a traveling massage therapist or esthetician. It also comes with a durable carrying case, making it easy to transport between locations. In terms of setup, it couldn't be simpler. No tools required, just unfold the table and the legs snap into place. This quick installation process means you're ready to work in seconds. And speaking of the surface, the massage bed is covered in high-quality PVC leather, which feels soft and luxurious, is easy to clean, and doesn't have that unpleasant chemical smell that some synthetic materials tend to have. I've used this table for a few at-home treatments, and I have to say, the comfort level is solid, especially when you consider the price point. The cushioning is soft but not too plush, providing enough support for long sessions without feeling too hard. The sturdy wood frame ensures there's no wobbling, even when pressure is applied. It's not the most premium option on the market, but it holds its ground when it comes to basic performance. Pros: comfortable 2-inch foam padding for a soft massage experience. Adjustable height, making it easy to work with various clients and for different treatments. Lightweight and portable, perfect for travel. Quick and easy setup with no tools required. Sturdy wood frame that can support up to 450 pounds. Durable PVC leather surface that's easy to clean. Cons: the padding, while comfortable, could be thicker for those looking for a more plush feel. Not the most high-end aesthetic, though this is expected at this price point. The weight of the table may still feel a little heavy if you're constantly on the move. When it comes to value for money, this table definitely checks the boxes for anyone who's starting out or needs a functional portable solution. At around 26 pounds, it's not the lightest portable table, but it's definitely a good balance between strength and mobility. The price is fairly reasonable for the materials and performance you're getting. For more expensive options, you'd get extra features like memory foam padding or advanced functionality, but this table gets the job done without the hefty price tag. Comparisons. If you're looking for something with a little more luxury, tables like the Earthlight Massage Table offer thicker padding and a more premium build, but they come at a much higher price. In contrast, the BestMassage Table provides solid functionality at a fraction of the cost, making it a good option for those on a budget or those looking for something portable but dependable. Overall, the BestMassage Portable Massage Table is a great entry-level option for massage professionals or anyone in need of a comfortable, adjustable table for home treatments. It's strong, portable, and simple to use, making it perfect for anyone who needs a functional and easy-to-store table. Mid-review call to action. If this review helped you in any way, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our honest and thorough reviews. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Final verdict: is the BestMassage Portable Massage Table the best massage table out there? Probably not, but for the price, it certainly holds its own. It's an affordable, practical solution for anyone in need of a solid massage table that delivers decent comfort and portability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for home use or traveling, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this table before or have any experiences you'd like to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.